China's GDP came in at 7.6%, the lowest level in 3 years. Despite this, the market's up. What's going on?
I think that people say, well, wait a second, the government doesn't want it below 8, so they're going to have to cut. Now, I am a big believer that GDP is slowing to 6 in China. But when we get to 6, they'll have thrown enough stimulus at it that maybe it comes back. 6 is still actually pretty good for the rest of the world. It's terrible for China because China's got a lot of people going from rural to urban. And it's kind of an industrial revolution period for China. But this number was bad enough that they have to cut, but not so bad that you think there's going to be a hard landing. And that's going to be the Silicon Charybdis that we're going to have to deal with forever with China. So people will be afraid to be short over the weekend, thinking that the Chinese come out with some big program Sunday night. Perfectly reasonable expectation.
Okay, now do you think that there's some people out there saying that the growth is slowing a lot faster than this 7.6%?
Well,
there's
I'm
other data
6.
points.
I'm probably the biggest bear.
Yeah.
You know, I'm one of those. I mean, 6 is a big percentage decline from 7.6. I think it's going to 6. I don't think it's going to 0, and I don't think it's phony.
Okay.
I think that you could argue, well, wait a second, our Labor Department, like they don't do that number by using TIBCO software and Salesforce.com, and you know, so and the Chinese lie. People want to say the Chinese lie. I like to look at Alcoa, which does a lot of work on Chinese GDP growth, and I don't think that there is a real economy going on there. I think that when things go bad, people just cast aspersions on everybody. The Communist Party's been very well run capitalist.
So how do you invest in China? Do you go for the consumer companies?
No, I never touch anything in China, ever.
Never?
In China? No, I never buy anything there. I think where the fraud is in their companies, not in the government. You want to buy capital goods, play off of it. I'm not going to recommend. I like Eaton. Eaton's down big. It yields more than 4%. I think that's a good one. This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to